Hello, everyone. Today, I will be teaching you about stratified random sampling. So I'm going to teach you how to perform um, this sampling technique. I have here an example. Okay, we want to take a sample from a company of 800 employees. Now, these employees can be grouped together by department. So there should be no overlapping of roles for the employees. So no employee should be coming from any two departments. So there are 200 employees from Department A, 100 employees from Department B, 120 employees from Department C, 150 from Department D, and 230 coming from Department E, making up a total of 800 for our population. So the first step is to compute for the sample size using Sloven's formula. Now, do you remember Sloven's formula? Now, the formula is given by n is equal to, so this is our sample size, to the population size divided by 1 plus the population size multiplied to the margin of error squared. So it is given that our population is 800 and our margin of error is 5%. So we divide 800 by 1 plus 800 times 0.05 squared. Okay? Using our calculator, this will give us 266.67. But we need to round this off since we're talking about employees and there will be no fractional employee. Okay, so this will be 267 employees. Okay. Now, we know that our desired sample size should be 267. So this is our desired sample size. The number of employees from each department should also be the same proportion as to that of the population. Okay, so since 200, 200 employees out of 800 come from Department A, or 25%, okay, of the population comes from Department A, and 12.5% of the employees come from Department B. Okay, how do you compute that? 100 divided by 800. Okay, so, and 120 out of 800 come from Department C, so that is 15%. And 150 over 800 come from Department D, so this is 18.75% of the population. And then 230 over 800 come from Department E, so that is 28.75% of the population. So we add this, let's see, do we get 100%? Okay, so we do. So this is a total of 100%. So we want the same proportions in our sample. So 25%, okay, of the 267 should be randomly selected from Department A. So 267 times 0.25. So this is 67. So we round this off. And then 267 times 12.5% or 125. So this is 33. And then 267 times 15% is 40, 40.05. Okay? Then 267 times 18.75%. So 1875 is equal to 50.0625. So we get 50. And then 267 times 0.2875 will give us 76.7625 or 77. So this will be our sample. Okay, so 67. Okay, out of the 267 should come from Department A. 33 of the 267 should come from Department C. 40 of the employees, okay, that will make up the 267 should come from Department C. 50 employees should come from Department D, and 77 employees should come from Department E. So how are we going to select these employees? So they should be randomly selected from each department. Okay, so you can do the lottery method for this one. Okay, so select 67 from Department A. So we select 67 from the 200, 33 from the 100, 40 from the 120, 50 from the 150, and 77 from the 230, making sure that the proportions, okay, seen in the population are also present in the sample. Okay, thank you and God bless.